my dance make it hurt.
Hi guys, what's happening? Just in case you are new here, my name is Cherry and welcome to my channel. I just wanted to wish you guys a very happy new year. I know I have not wishing you guys on first and I took some time to come here, but I really hope 2021 brings good things to all of us and I'm gonna be here, so that's why it is my first video of 2021. Now, there is no specific topic as such. I just wanted to come here and wish you guys and just talk about some certain things, I would say. So this is about it. Just in case you wanna stick by and watch my videos, then like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So 2020 has been one hell of a ride, and I do know that I was not regular here because it's just that there was this pressure in my head that I have to do this, I have to do that, and suddenly things changed for all of us. So I was also in the same space. I mean, I've spoken about this before and I'm telling you guys again. That's why I was not very regular. I stopped making videos, then I was slightly irregular, but then I decided to be regular here and come back again with a whole new content. But yeah, so I did achieve quite a lot of things in 2020, which can be pretty normal, but I became a better person. I started taking decisions very wisely and I became a more conscious person. I spent a lot of time in making my Instagram grow, so I did spend a lot of time in making Instagram videos and content. I did get an opportunity to work with a lot of amazing brands, and yeah, that's how the year passed. But the most happening thing and the most important thing that happened in my life was literally launching my own clothing line. Now, it has been a dream, honestly. Like, it has been there on my mind since a lot of years now, and I wanted to do this and I wanted to launch my own clothing line. But in 2020 I got that time, I took a step back and I worked on it. I can't even tell you how those months passed. It was so hectic. It was so hectic, but I think it's all worth it in the end. So yes, we have named my clothing line as Shop Domera. Like, it's Domera, but obviously Shop Domera. I'm gonna put a link everywhere, so just in case you want to check it out or buy something, you're always welcome to do it. It's gonna make my day. And Domera actually means that someone who likes detailing and someone who likes to buy things, someone who appreciates such things. So that's how the name came up and that's what it means. And honestly, it's been a dream project, and 2021 it's gonna be like, I'm gonna be working on it. So yeah, that's gonna be thing. And yeah, I'm gonna just put like a small montage here just in case you wanna check it out. I don't really have words to say कि मैं क्या बोलूँ. So yeah, I mean, I don't really want to blabber about it, but honestly, I took some time to even start the project because I did not want to launch like one product or like a merchandise or like two products. I honestly wanted to add in a lot of products. That's why if you see, like, we have a lot of variety from like X to Z. We have a lot of things, like not X to Z but like A to Z. So we do have a lot of variety, and that's what I did, and we're still working on it. It's kind of difficult to manage everything on my own, just saying, but it is kind of an official announcement that I've launched my own brand. Just want to tell you guys, because honestly it's been months and I haven't really announced it here, so just wanted to tell you guys. Yeah, that's an achievement, I would say. So that's what happened in 2020. Now 2021, now itna sab kuch ho chuka hai ki I really don't know what's gonna happen in 2021, and to be honest, I've always kept resolutions, but this year I've decided I'm not gonna keep resolutions because I honestly don't really follow them, to be honest. Like, वो एक महीने follow होता है and फिर उसके बाद follow नहीं होता. So this year I have just decided to become a better person for myself and for you guys, and work on my dreams and work like consistently and work harder. So that's what I'm gonna do, and that's what I've been doing ever since the year I started. I am one of those people. I am one of those people who are like, if I'm at it, I will be at it all the time. so I really do not have a life beyond it. I'm trying to maintain a balance. Yeah. So my 2021 goal is to actually just work harder and just become a better person for you guys and for myself. And coming back to what I want to post here, now I've been doing a lot of thinking. I know you guys used to watch a lot of my comedy videos, but I feel that I do a lot of fashion content and all my fashion yarn is on Instagram, and I do feel that there is a lag when it comes to the Indian creators, that there is not a lot of fashion content here. Like लोग करते हैं but like एक genre में नहीं stick करते, तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि there is a lag. And if I'm honestly like telling you guys about so many things on Instagram, and Instagram is obviously like smaller videos and lesser minutes, so I wanna bring it out here and post a lot more fashion content. So just in case you want to be a part of this and you want to be a part of this community, then it's just gonna cost you a like and subscribe. Wow, that's going to be kind of lame, but like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna be posting many fashion videos every week. So that is what I'm gonna do, and that is what you're gonna see on my channel from now on. So it's like an official announcement. This is what I'm gonna do. And just in case you guys are still wanting me to go back to Pop EXO, oh my god, the comments are like crazy. It's just crazy. I just want to tell you guys again that I have left Pop EXO, guys. It's been literally more than 2 years now. I do go back on and off if they have some work for me, or like if there is a project in which I have to be there, so I do go there, but I don't do videos regularly over there. This is where I do my videos regularly, and this is where I'm going to be doing it. So this is the channel you have to watch if you want to watch me. So yeah, this was like an official announcement again. Yeah, that's pretty much about it. This is what I wanted to tell you guys. So just wanted to update you guys on my things and wanted to wish you guys. I've already started working on my next video, so stay tuned for that. And please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep seeing you every week. So lots of love, and I'm wishing you a happy new year again. Spread positivity and be positive, and I'll see you next week. Bye.